Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD as we usually do, and this is a bit of a disaster. So that was the flag that we were chasing there. We had a flag break, we're looking for a pullback, for a move up, and lo and behold, we're right back into the flag. So could still be a test of the breakouts, but it could also be a situation where we are just destroying the structure and turning it into a double top. So I suppose, hindsight being the perfect science, there is divergence here on the 8 hour between those highs. So it looked like a double top. We've dropped below it, we've gapped above it now, but this is the level we need to bring into play, and we are in a downward trend on the oscillators. Only thing positive about what we're seeing is the fact that we have a moving average crossover, and that's about it. We drop down to the hour. You can see pretty muted start and then big exhaustion bar straight back into the channel, and I'm just going to get the channel exactly right because you're going to see how it's going to impact us. So you can see there, test at the bottom of the channel and then a break. So right now we are kind of nowhere. Shorts for me are from 108926. So drop below that, come back and test. Then we'll be looking for shorts, probably to stay in this channel, to be honest, for a while, especially on a Monday. Don't think I'll be looking for longs just yet. Not looking at what's happening with the oscillators here on the hour and what's happening on the 8 hour. So moving on to US dollar Japanese yen, and don't forget to drop us a thumbs up or give us a comment or share on social media. It would appreciate the support. US dollar Japanese yen, so we're in an upward trend, there's no doubt about that. We are on a solid, strong upward trend. So what you should be doing is you should be buying off support, and the problem is we're not actually getting to any support. So I'm just going to get that one in. We have tested that this morning and get this bottom level in here. So there are 3 levels here. There's the first one, there's one in the middle, and one here. So you're looking for solid price action off 143.329 and 143.158. So somewhere inside here you're looking for inside bars, pin bars, or engulfing bars, and that would indicate a continuation to the upside, which is probably the better bet, to be honest. Bit of a wide stop losses, but if you drop down to the 15 minutes on this pair, you can actually shorten your entries quite substantially. So in other words, your risk can be a lot less, and you can see we've come back to close the gap. But so what you're seeing at the moment, you see there's a big engulfing bar, so typically there's a trade in play at the moment, and there's a 370 point stop loss on that. But wait for the market to open, and you're looking for another bit of structure like this, either an inside bar, engulfing bar, off one of these tails that you see here. And you're looking for a continuation to the upside. Moving on to British pound, Japanese yen, same thing here, been in a strong upward trend. Started drifting lower, then started climbing again. Don't think there's anything to write home about on this one. I'm concerned that the oscillators are still overbought, so I'm probably still going to leave this one alone for now. It's not really getting anywhere. You can see last week was some big downs, big ups, big downs, big ups, and now we're sort of in the structure again. So and there was quite a bit of negative data last week and the week before. Sorry, that's the 1 hour, but 8 hour, there's no different picture. You can see there we're battling to get up there. And then on the hour, you can see data on Thursday, and then the reaction to data on Friday was just confused. So I am going to be leaving the pound alone. Lastly, Euro, British pound, and again, strong move up in the week and then big move down. So if you look at that on the weekly, you have a fairly large tail to the upside, and charts are extremely slow this morning. And you need to fill in the white space, because otherwise you guys just hear chirping crickets. It doesn't look like we're going to get much success here. Anyway, let's just get that. So you can see the strong move up, big move down. So there's the open there. There's the close. So that's your body, which would be green. And then you've got this long tail to the upside. So that's what I wanted to show you on the weekly. But anyway, that's what it is. If you get down to the hour and look at the chaos. Again, news on Thursday, then the reaction to the news on Friday. Only thing that is looking interesting for me here is the crossover the moving averages here. So, but if you look left, you can see there's a lot going on in this zone. So I am sit on hands on the pound. There's a potential for another move down, but you're going to have to again get down to the 15 minutes or something like that and pay attention to the structure in order to see what is going on. Anyway, that's it for me today. Dollar is the one to trade. Pound will leave alone. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.